Hi guys, got a bit of repair work to do here. My Airsport Flash 170 came off the worst after some fairly heavy landings, made by Günther. So, what's the damage? It's the main spar up the middle. If we can get it out. Right, they're fiberglass tubes. These are, well, actually put it together, haven't I? It's this centre one that's broken. Unfortunately, I didn't get it on film because it actually looked brilliant. As it split, as it hit the ground, and it all sprayed out because it's all fibres, so you don't want to touch it. The sun caught it and it was quite beautiful, but I wasn't filming it. So we need to replace that one. These cross ones are okay, but even when I picked it up in the charity shop, this one has been split and it's got tape round it. I was rather hoping the brake might be in a place where I could have used that one to replace that one, but it's not quite long enough, so we're out of luck there. To replace this one, I'm wondering if I can use this. Now this isn't tubing, this is solid. This is the springy fiberglass from one of those pop-up tents. So it's going to be heavier, but I think the kite will survive even with the heavier central spar. It's just a tiny bit thinner as well, but I think it'll do. At least it's worth trying, if nothing else. So I'll just measure that, cut it, and put it together. Well, that's back in one piece. I suspect that new solid spar that I've put there will be more flexible than the original, so it won't be perfect, but I think it'll fly again. So I'll bag it back up again, and next time we have some wind, we can try it. Looks like it cost me £3.50 originally.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.